Acoustic treatment is the least exciting studio purchase, and the most important one. This is the difference between guessing and actually hearing what's going on. In this video, I'll explain what acoustic treatment actually does, the difference between treatment and soundproofing, where to place panels first, and how to get real results without overdoing it. First, let's clear up a big misconception. Acoustic treatment improves how sound behaves inside of your room. Soundproofing prevents sound from getting in or out, and that is expensive and structural. Key point, most home studios need sound treatment, not soundproofing. Acoustic panels reduce reflections that smear your sound. They help with vocal clarity, stereo imaging, low-end control, more accurate mixing decisions. The simple truth, without treatment, your room is lying to you. Where to place panels first. Order of priority. Number 1, first reflection points on sidewalls. 2, behind your listening position. And 3, corners of the room for bass trapping. These spots are where sound bounces back and interferes with what you're hearing. Key point is you don't need to treat every wall, you just need to treat the right ones. For recording vocals, treatment behind and slightly around the mic matters most. For mixing, symmetry and reflection control around your listening position matter more. Important note, one room can do both, it just has to be set up intentionally. Common acoustic treatment mistakes. Quick hits. Foam everywhere with no plan, ignoring corners and low end, treating only one side of the room, expecting treatment to fix bad mixes. The key takeaway here is acoustic treatment improves listening accuracy, but not talent. If you want your mic, monitors, and headphones to actually work, this is where it starts. If you follow this series from start to finish, you'll have a home recording setup that actually works, not just one that looks good on Instagram. So that's your ultimate home studio starter kit. Smart gear, smart choices, and no wasted cash. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your studio looks like. Catch you in the next one.